WPO 365 Roles and Access feature requires that we update the API permissions for the registered application. And for this tutorial, I will configure application permissions so that we can support application-only scenarios. If you do not plan to configure WPO 365 user synchronization or support for Azure AD user provisioning using the SCIM client, then it would also be possible to configure this feature with delegated permissions. To navigate to my registered application in Azure AD in Microsoft Entra Portal, I will go to the integration page, and here I have already configured the application access section, and I simply click the app-only application client ID link that says View in Azure Portal. This will take me immediately to Azure Portal, to my registered application. Here I will continue to the API permissions page, and I will click to add a permission. I will add a Microsoft Graph application permission, and first I will add the permission to read the group members. So I scroll down to group member and I select group member read all. I also need the permission to read all users. So I scroll down to user and I select user read all. With these two permissions selected, I click to add permissions, and as you can see, the status informs me that currently no consent from the administrator has been granted, so therefore I would need to click the Grant Admin Consent for my tenant link button at the top of the list of permissions. I confirm that I want to grant admin consent, and I am ready for the next step.